I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you do.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Hey stranger, right? It has been a long time since I filmed, and I did actually get something filmed yesterday, but it's going to be totally just me doing my makeup. And today is pretty much going to be the same thing, because I have finally come to the conclusion that if I'm going to film, it's going to have to be while I'm getting ready for work in the morning. At least until I can dedicate a weekend day to filming, and for a long time I have not had weekend time for filming. So again, I ask you to be patient with me as I get through this tumultuous, crazy school year. 5 more weeks, and hopefully I'll be back to regularly scheduled programming. But until then, you get to watch me get ready for work, and I'm going to be using a palette I haven't used before, which is the Nabla Wild Berry Cute palette, and it is cute. It's very cute. So if you would like to see the look I create with this, please keep watching.
There's something about you, there's something about the way that you move, dancing all alone in the pool. You took my heart a little too soon. There's something about you, I like it when you pull me real close. We try to keep each other afloat. We both know where this is gonna go. With your hand on my cheek, going 95 at night. You're a freak, you don't see, you're exactly what I like. Exactly what I like. With your hand on my cheek, going 95 at night. private night. Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Thought the other side was always green. There isn't any color in my dreams. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Sorry if I'm not in the mood. I don't really have a good excuse. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? It's sunny out on most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, stay looking out the window? And how late do you plan on going nowhere? Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going nowhere? Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I'll drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no destination, no lie. I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. There's something about you, there's something about the way that you move. Dancing all alone in the pool. You took my heart a little too soon. There's something about you, I like it when you pull me real close. We try to keep each other afloat. We both know where this is gonna go. With your hand on my cheek, going 95 at night. You're a freak.
All right, guys, that is it for me. I will be back, hopefully, in a few videos from now, catching up with you, letting you know what's going on in my life. But for now, I'm just glad to have filmed something. So thank you again for your patience and hanging in there with me. But I have to get off to work right now. So thank you so much for joining me. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do it right now. Don't forget to hit that cute little notification bell so that you will be notified of all my future videos. Also hit that little like button because you know you like me. You know you do. Anyways, until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys.